Hello, Kurumjiri, and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Primetime English News with me, Jessie Thiam. First, the headlines. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla lauded security personnel for their selfless services to the nation. Present citation to Indian Army, Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, and Manipur District Police. And SKTV News celebrates its first Foundation Day with renewed commitment to provide authentic and credible news to people of Manipur. Now giving you the news in detail. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla today presented Governor's citation to units of Indian Army, Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF and Manipur District Police, recognizing their exemplary service in counter-insurgency, disaster response and security operations. The citations were presented during the annual investiture ceremony for the Governor's Unit Citation 2025, which was held at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan today. Speaking in the ceremony, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla lauded the selfless services of brave men and women in uniform who are ensuring security, safety of citizens and also playing immense role in maintaining peace. He said that the event serves as a tribute to the unwavering dedication, courage and exemplary service displayed by the units of forces in their duty to the nation and to the people of Manipur. Speaking further, Governor Bhalla highlighted that the valor, professionalism and commitment to duty by security forces in the country and maintained that they have earned the admiration and gratitude of the people through their service to the nation. The Governor distributed unit citations to 46th, 19th and 8th Assam Rifles, 5th Sikh Regiment, 165th Infantry Battalion TA, 87th Battalion CRPF, 21st BSF Battalion, District Police of Bishnupur, Thawal and Kangpokpi and CID Crime Branch Manipur Police. SKTV News today celebrated its first Foundation Day, marking a fruitful year in delivering credible, accountable and factual news to people of Manipur. In the observance program, which was held at the junction at Ningthemcha Karong, Editor-in-Chief of SKTV News, Phillips Nauroybam, expressed gratitude for being able to serve the people of Manipur through credible news and discussion programs and by adhering to the principles of information, education and entertainment to the public on the state. Speaking further, the Editor-in-Chief assured the supporters and viewers that SKTV News will continue with its endeavor of serving the people with determination and integrity and at the same time strengthen the fourth pillar of democracy through its services. Association of Healthcare Provider of India, Chapter 2, Northeast today organized first Africon Northeast 2 at City Convention Center on the theme Impact of Climate Change in Human Health. Former MLA and retired Director of RIMS, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, President of AFI Manipur Chapter, Dr. K.H. Palin, Chairperson of Reception Committee, AFI Chapter 2 Northeast, Dr. S. Jugindro, and Organizing Secretary of Africon, Dr. Kumanthem Ertan Kumar, graced its inaugural function as the main dignitaries. A souvenir titled Nongobi was also released at the function. Speaking on the sideline, Dr. Palin emphasized on the need for framing policy programs to mitigate the adverse impact of climate change in the state.
2030 daina 50 vamanungda 250,000 population si climate change na maram oiraga sini habani aidi tonga ba issue mayam sina maram oiraga yamna alarming oiba potni sahi madani siduise aduga loinana akoina tawdaba thabak si maruina ja dasu yamna lei aduga doctor singi medical professionals su le amna lei loinana policy maker mayam si dasu tonga sengudaba aduna koina handaki sidi maruina doctor singna lokatba yamna chawba initiative ama hanasu laudan lei India government gi makhada adaida Manipur gi oina kharehna akoi awareness pinaba mayamsi massive awareness pinaba honazabni Canada awareness is the only vaccine to prevent from such climate change and mitigate the issue of this health issue and mind tawraga lakpani aduga hospital gi yamna chawba climate change is the su contribute to 5% hari hospital sina maram oiraga pollution thohondaba climate change thohondaba adugi su yauri loina na tonga tongamba koi effective oigada koi renewable energy ki matang da disease ki laying mabagi koi preparation kamai tawre prevent tawni habina singba mayam ama akoi ngasi gi sida khanajai.
Protest against resignation of Nongthombam Biren is gathering pace as women folk of Sawambung, Paurabi, Tejpur, Chingarel, Waiton, Wairi and nearby localities staged a sit-in at Sawambung Bazaar stretched today. During the sit-in, several placards which condemned the resignation of CM Biren and also against infighting among BJP MLAs for the post of Chief Minister. Protesters also demanded to root out poppy cultivation to identify illegal immigrants and protection of indigenous people in the state, besides condemning arrest of village volunteers who came out to defend and protect the state from Kuki aggression. Meanwhile, similar protests were also held at various places, including Pungdongbam, Nongpok Sanjenbam, and Pukao Kabam. Speaking in one of the protests, Pukao Kabam Mayrapai Secretary Nongmay Kapam Bimota decried the arrest of village volunteers. She said that the village volunteers took up the responsibility to safeguard the state as the state government failed to do so. Cautioning that BJP MLAs should bear responsibility for any untoward that happens to village volunteers, she urged BJP legislators to choose a new leader and form a new government. Protesters held placards which expressed discontentment over resignation of Biren from Chief Minister's post, against imposition of President's rule, and tussle among BJP MLAs for power.
Now kaya amasu thawai na ponthawa na pigre adubu ngasigi paliba sarkar asina asuk kuina pairaga laaga ngarang na handa akoi di sarkar paiba ngammaroi haiduna thadokpire kari maramgi kopi singse yokhanna bagi ramaktara kopi tharaga moina kopi gi side tadi thariba cultivation toiba kangbu singsi tadi action lobidre aduga aigi ima isa singna adi isa singsina khon ngaktuna leiriba mayamsibu ngaktuna senin leiba isa singsibu moina piar thunjalaga masai se phana na bagi tan tan diri masibu aikoi praja mayam ima event singna yaba sungam jaro waru simpurakta mi ke amagi su yum mai thaduna manhan khare awana tarba sing sibu kanbigadra hairaga hujingna matamdudana sarkasina hanna yengbite adagi ngasagi makoina matamduda thadoga india government da demand tawusu leite aduga hujingna siraba matamsida makoina sarkar thadokduna makoina asi pr shasan thamlaliba se akoina yaningde hauji leiriba manipur da jingkhong jingya da leiriba tongan ba akoi khungak seriba akoi maigai sida leiriba singse akoi gi ibung upa sing tongan ba kya na khunga aga akoi sangjari bani masibu sangam da ba taraba na hana khuntak ran sidana maigai sing ase akoi loina maksinde chelaga leiram gada bani ado akoi hauji ya janingde
CMNO sama sangkhangodana kham thadoki babu khoi yaningde hedana khamama anoba misalama thong tam khandi lega ngupule hindu hai.
Well, we have more news coming up, but before that, let us take a short break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. You're watching Sktv's Primetime English News. Now moving on. Korean-led UNLF MPA clarified that the outfit has no connection in the incident that happened on February 10, where 13-year-old Elisha Malimnganba from Moirang Kampu, Wang Leikai was shot by unknown miscreants. In a press release, Korean-led UNLF MPA strongly condemned the killing of an innocent teenager, while expressing that any related individual or organization should apologize to the family and the public. Sagolban Constituency Progressive Committee (SCPC) organized an event today to enroll citizens aged 70 and above from Sagolban Assembly constituency into Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJY). This was the third such event organized under the aegis of Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo. In a press release, MLA R.K. Imo reiterated his commitment to ensure healthcare accessibility to all senior citizens. A Manipuri book titled Ishai Natrom, written by Moirangthem Maimu Macha, was released at the writer's house, which was located at Tenta Kombal today. In a press release, Sahitya Yokat Kanglup Sayoka Tenta, which organized the book release function, conveyed that it was graced by retired lecturer of Thobal College, Moirangthem Rajendra Singh. Sayoka President Kartik Maiba and All India Radio Imphal approved artist Sagosem Bishwarup as the main dignitaries. In continuation of U.S. President Donald Trump's crackdown on immigration, a second U.S. plane carrying 119 deported Indian nationals is expected to arrive at Punjab's Amritsar airport around 10 p.m. today. Among them, 67 are from Punjab, 33 from Haryana, 8 from Gujarat, 3 from Uttar Pradesh, 2 each from Goa, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, and 1 each from Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. The first U.S. military plane carrying 104 deported Indians landed on February 5. It may be mentioned that External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has responded to the opposition's criticism, saying that the deportations by the U.S. were organized and executed by the Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE), which provides the use of restraints. The deportations are likely to continue on a bi-weekly basis, with similar flights bringing back Indian nationals in the coming weeks until all undocumented immigrants have returned. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla lauded security personnel for their selfless services to the nation. Present citation to Indian Army, Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, and Manipur District Police. And SKTV News celebrates its first Foundation Day with renewed commitment to provide authentic and credible news to the people of Manipur. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.